What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a couple of stories for you and no questions, so let's dive right in. Our first story of the day has to do with the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. This is coming back. They skipped last year and now they're back. Actually, I think they skipped 2 years in a row, if I'm not mistaken. So we're up to the Galaxy S24 FE, and the specs are being leaked out. So here's what we're looking forward for this phone, and you can see it's gonna have a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 120 Hertz display, so 1080p plus display. It's going to have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or the Exynos 2200, depending upon where you live. So, you know, pretty good performance though overall. Should be able to handle almost everything you throw at it. 50 megapixel optical image stabilization main sensor, 8 megapixel, and then 12 megapixel telephoto. Selfie camera will be 10 megapixel. It'll have Android 13.1 and One UI 5.1 out of the box. The battery is pretty good size at 4,500 milliamps with 25-watt charging. 4 years of UI updates and then 5 years of security updates, wireless charging, IP rating, September release, and it's supposed to, if I believe it's not in here, but it should have 8 gigs of RAM as well. So not too bad of a phone. Next up is about the Sony PlayStation handheld gaming system. So they let out some more official information about this. It should be released towards the end of this year. I don't have an exact date for you, but if I had to guess, it's probably gonna be October or November for the release date of this. So here's the information. The price is coming in at $200. And to go along with that, it is called the Sony PlayStation Portal, and it does not support cloud streaming or gaming. It's built for remote play, so you're gonna need a PlayStation 5 to run the games at your house while you use this. Also, it'll have an 8-inch Full HD LCD display with a 60 Hertz panel, dual sense controller built right in. It'll cost $199 like I mentioned, and if you want to use the Bluetooth functionality for a wireless headset, from what I've heard, you're going to have to use a specific one that connects to this device. As of right now, you won't be able to just use whatever device you want. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I've said this before, I feel like it's DOA, dead on arrival. Are we even going to be able to stream games outside of the house? If you can't, that's definitely a negative. Being able to not play games natively on this is going to hurt it. I don't know why they're not allowing cloud play on this so that you can play games from anywhere you have an internet connection and don't need a PlayStation 5. I know there's a lot of things about this that don't make me hopeful for this. But it looks cool. It definitely looks like a nice system, but it's just, I do not have super high hopes for this. What do you guys think? Last story of the day is all about the Galaxy S24 Ultra and a feature it's going to have that's going to blow away a lot of phones, if not be the brightest display of any phone released in just a few months. So here's the information. This tweet came out saying that exclusive Galaxy S24 Ultra could be coming as a unibezel device. Will support 2200 nits at full brightness, but then Ice Universe replied to him and said, not 2200 nits, the brightness is higher than this. So very interesting to see that Samsung's going to be pushing the envelope again on the brightness of their flagship phone, and I love to see this because I always love a really bright display. Especially outdoors. Sometimes, the brighter these get, the more easy it's going to be able to see these displays. So, especially in bright sun. So awesome to see this stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Your question of the day is, do you like mobile gaming? Are you excited for more devices like the Sony PlayStation Portal, the Asus ROG Ally, and things like that? Or is it just not turning on? You'd rather play games on your tablet or your phone if you're going to do mobile? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road.